everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. Today's tutorial is on this look here minus the foundation. So I'm giving you eyes, lips, contour, blush, highlight, all the good stuff. This is an everyday fall look, so I tried to keep it nice and light and daytime appropriate. You can of course add or subtract the lashes. I added them because that's who I am. I hope you're okay with that. But yeah, so I tried to incorporate the rich tones of fall. My next tutorial, don't worry if you were one of the people who voted on my Instagram, I will be having a purpley fall look coming up soon. So don't worry, girlfriend, okay? If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. For this everyday fall look, I am using the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections. Yes, Gilded palette. It is a 15 shade eye color palette. That came out weird. A 15 shade palette. It has a really nice array of warm tones. Everything I think of for fall, maybe minus the pinky shade in here, but this still kind of comes out as like a gold reflective shade, and it has a really big mirror, which is awesome. So, yeah, and I'm pretty sure this is only $16. I'll look it up. I'll have everything that I use linked down below, including brushes, and let's get started. Alright, I have zoomed you guys in just a smidgen more. The first shade I am going to pick up, and excuse my nails, by the way, I'll use the brushes to point, but if you see my nails, I was helping my mom with yard work today, and a lot of my nail polish came off, and also while I'm here and I'm looking at myself, I apologize for my friend here. It's like already kind of starting to like scab over in the dry skin and whatever, so it's not, I'm not even gonna try to cover it up, it's just here, loud and proud. Anyway, the first shade I'm picking up is this yellow shade right here at the very top of the palette in the center, and I am using a Morphe B30 brush to apply that to my crease. I'm gonna start out here and work my way in. I'm also going to put up a cool tone fall look too. I'm going to try to get my hands on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm actually not sure when that comes out. I got to figure that out. But I don't know about that palette. It looks like I go back and forth. It looks really pretty, but then I'm like, normally I don't think I would buy a palette like that, but I'm curious, so I want to get it because either way, Anastasia Beverly Hills products are bomb. Even if I don't end up using the palette, I can like give it to my sister. So I am not really being precise with this color. I'm kind of just making sure I get this down everywhere. And then while we're here with the same brush, however, just on the very tip of the brush, I'm going to run this under my eye too. I decided to do my face makeup off camera just to save a little time filming here, and because you know, everyone does their face makeup differently, and foundation isn't necessarily part of an everyday fall routine for a lot of people. I'm kind of bringing my eyeshadow up kind of like I would be doing a wing, and then kind of having it, you know, taper out here, so I'm not doing anything super crazy. The next shade I'm picking up is going to be right next to it. It's going to be this one, right, y'all. And I am going to use the same brush. However, this time I'm not going to be as carefree in my crease. I'm going to keep it a little bit lower than this yellow shade. You know how sometimes contour looks really good on, but then you turn to the side and it's like, oh. That's how I'm feeling right now. And once I feel like I have a decent amount of product off my brush, I'm going to go ahead and do circly, swirly motions in my crease, just to kind of further blend that yellowy shade and this brown shade together. Now I have this kind of bullety pencil brush. I got this from NYX, or it's from a NYX brush set. I am going to go ahead and wipe this underneath my eye. However, this time we're not bringing it quite as low as we did the yellow shadow, which I will probably end up going back into, to be honest. And out here, we're kind of just going to join the two colors together. Alright, and now to keep this daytime, the next shade I am going to pick up is this one right down here. I am just going to use my finger to apply this to my lid. I am picking up a Morphe B81 brush, and I'm going back into the second shade we used, which was that brown. And what I'm kind of going to do is just pack a little bit onto the outer corner here and just kind of blend in this area. That's optional for me. That kind of just does something to my eye shape to have the darker color out here. It just gives me a little bit more contrast. It doesn't necessarily make my eyes look bigger. If anything, it makes them look smaller, but I like what it does. For my highlight shade, what do I want to pick up? I'm going to pick up this color right down here. She's very cute. And I am using a brush that I literally bought from the Michael's craft store. This is what she looks like. And for my inner corner highlight, what I've been doing recently is kind of going in on a downward angle like this. And I apply it kind of like swiping up. And then I hit the lower inner corner lash line, and then I kind of start to drag a little bit onto my lid and into my crease. Also going to dust my brow bone with this shade. Before I do mascara and lashes, I'm going to add a nude eyeliner to my waterline. For mascara today, I'm using one of my faves. It is the Total Temptation from Maybelline. I used to really not like this mascara at first, but the more I use it, the more I like it. And this is why I love her. Also happening today, I will be applying lashes. Of course, this is totally optional. The lashes I'm using today are the Wispy's 614s from Salon Perfect. Alright, the eyes are done. We are just going to finish off the face. I'm using my favorite contour powder today, the Bahama Mama Bronzer. And it's from Morphe, but I don't know the number rubbed off. I'm pretty sure it's M403. But I am just doing a light dusting because I already kind of did a cream contour when I did my foundation. For blush today, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. It is the NARS Orgasm, and I have recently, instead of swirling my blush on, been tapping it on. It gives me better color payoff and a little bit more control as to where it goes. And I really have been like putting it over top of my contour or bronzer recently as opposed to like just above it. I mean like on top of it. Pat a little bit on my forehead, a smidgen on my nose, and a smidgen on my chin. Whatever is left over. I was going to use Laura Geller's Gilded Honey as I would for a golden, light, glowy look, you know? But I am just going to use the same eyeshadow that I used as my brow bone and inner corner highlight because I'm liking what it's doing to my brows. So, hopefully this doesn't look weird. You can see the difference already. That looks really nice. Oh, I love it. And for the finishing touch today, lips. I am using this lip liner by The Balm called A Cute One. When it comes to nudes for fall, I kind of think of like a brown nude, like so. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to keep it nice and light, but still incorporate the rich tones of fall like yellows, oranges, and browns. So I hope you guys liked it. This is a really easy everyday look. If I wasn't talking during this and trying to make sure I was in frame and everything looks good, I could probably get it done in like under 10 minutes, minus foundation. But you guys get it, right? What else was I gonna say? Oh, I have one of the other palettes. This one is a cool tone kind of smoky palette, so if you guys are interested in a tutorial with that one, let me know. Also comment down below if there's anything specific you'd like to see in a potential fall giveaway. I think I'm gonna do one maybe in the beginning of October here, because you know October screams fall. But yeah, that's pretty much all I forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My next video, or one of my next couple videos, is gonna be that purple fall glam. If you were one of the people who voted for it on Instagram, don't worry, it's coming. It's in the works. I think I'm going to use one of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault palettes. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!